Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone with the Samsung Galaxy A25 series. And then first of all, before you record your screen, I recommend you to go to the setting and set up the screen recorder. You can go to the settings and then go to the advanced features. You can scroll down until you find this advanced features, and you can scroll down again until you find the screenshots and screen recordings. And to set up the screen recording, you can do it here. You can choose the record sound. Either you want to record your screen only, or maybe your screen and also the audio. If you want to record with the audio, you can choose media and mic. Okay, and then choose the video quality. We can choose up to this high resolution. If you want to use the high resolution, you can choose this one, but here I prefer this medium. Okay, and the next one, you can customize the selfie video size, just like this, small or large. Okay, and you can also choose the location for the recorded video. Just go to here to change the location. Okay, and after you have set up your screen recorder, you can start recording your screen. You just need to go to the quick setting panel or the notification panel, and you can choose screen recorder like this, and then again you can choose the record sound. Either you want to record the media only or media and audio, and for me I'm just going to leave it like that. And don't forget to activate the show tabs and touches. And once you're ready to start the recording, click on the start recording. Okay, we just need to click on it, but sorry guys, I'm using another video recorder, so it seems like I can't use the screen recorder. Okay, but you just need to go to the quick setting panel to access the screen recorder on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, if the screen recorder item hasn't appeared here, you can add it the quick setting panel, and then you can choose the screen recorder. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A25. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.